We introduced the Marshmallow Challenge to our students as a way of introducing the DT process. And so this activity is meant for our students to think outside the box, to use all sorts of ideas that they have maybe seen in the past to build their first kind of prototype, and then walk around the classroom, see what other people have done, build on their ideas, and then come back and build again a better design. So it introduces the idea that the final answer may not always be the best, so you can always go back to kind of rework the answer to create something even better.
I think the design thinking process gives us a lot of flexibility with what we can do in school. So some people want to explore like VR technology, some people want to explore like more like arts, perhaps more in depth than our class provides. And I think design thinking really gives us the ability to do so on a more like a professional level. So it expands it from a personal like activity to a academic activity, and really facilitates the students to do the things they really want to do.
Our project, we took a big paper tube and covered the top with feathers. Then we cut to its and we made the head out of them.
We introduced design thinking to our students this year because we wanted to give them a chance to find a creative solution to problems that they themselves have identified. Or we want them to use the knowledge that they have. We want them to use the internet, to use media, to use everything at their disposal in order to learn more about the world. Because the whole idea of design thinking is based on empathy, right? In order to identify with our users, then we can truly kind of create the best solution for them.
So this program is special because there's this new aspect called empathy engraved into it. So for example, in science fair, there's a straight line. You have the question and you're seeking for the conclusions. In this design thinking program, it's a never-ending cycle because you have the question, you have the conclusion, but then you take in feedbacks from many other people, and it's the loop back. You go back into the question based on the people's feedback.
And we want our students to understand that the world is what you make of it. Right? So they have to go out and they really have to interact with the world to be better.